Hey guys, so we're gonna be replacing the throttle body position sensor, and this is the part we're gonna be using. So this car kind of like has like really bad acceleration issues. So we're hoping that, and it also has problems like at startup with the idle going up and down. It sounds like it's suffocating, especially when I gas it. It just doesn't seem to be doing anything besides like suffocating, it feels like. But hopefully this helps to improve it. And then also we had that code 41, which is for the throttle position sensor, so hopefully that fixes the issue to run at least better than it did. All right, let's get started. So I got it marked up. I marked it up right now, and I also did the same for the blue one. I guess when you remove it, it's easier, so it lines back up when you put it back in. Okay, so I got the part out. I don't know if you guys could see the spring on this side. It looks like expanded extra. Because on this one it doesn't. Oh, actually that's a lie. But this is the old one. There's really nothing you could tell that's faulty, but I guess on the computer it'll say different, hopefully. Okay, so we swapped it out. Let's see if it starts better. Okay, so she's running now. I just been having issues with it in general, like staying on. I think it has like some vacuum leaks. Obviously the exhaust is a really bad one, but I don't know. Could that affect the car's idle? I'm sure it probably can, but I don't know. But don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.